Alright, Finney. Let's see you hit it. Good! Now run! Good! Good, 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 good! You want to get another bat? Oh, that's a nice bat. Okay. Do you like T-ball, Finn? Hey, Finn. Do you like T-ball?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who's your favorite player?
Joey's not gonna come here.
No, Joey's not going to come here. Kalki's going to come here, though.
Tyler's come.
Yeah, and a
Tyler's
little...
come see.
Whoa! Good hit, Finn! Run! There he goes. Come on, little T-baller, all the way home, all the way home! Safe! You did it. High five, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Good job.